वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। और आज हम देखने वाले हैं 10 lines on newspaper. Today we will learn how to write 10 lines on newspaper. First is, a newspaper is a periodical publication which contains current affairs. Newspapers are printed on daily, weekly, monthly basis. Newspapers are printed in different languages across the world. It gives information about what is happening near you and around the world and educate you. A newspaper has various sections like sports, games, entertainment, trade, and commerce. There are dedicated newspapers for business, entertainment, sports, etc. Reading the newspaper is a good habit as it increases your knowledge about the outlook. Reading newspaper daily increases vocabulary. Newspapers are medium of information. People advertise in newspapers to inform about life events, products, campaigns, etc. Digital version of newspapers are available. One can read it on in any digital device. So, I hope this will help you for more videos. Please follow my channel. If you like today's video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye.